So what are recruiters going to look for in the resumes of senior management people, CEOs and VPs? The thing is that most senior people do not need resumes to get hired. A lot of senior VPs, CXOs, would rather get hired through referrals. And a lot of them would actually not have a resume as well. So if you are a senior individual, a top management executive, all you need to do is just make sure that your LinkedIn profile is updated with the most recent organization that you're working for. If you could include certain top level metrics, like under you, if the organization has attained any top line growth, or if you have actually instituted any completely new or innovative program that had a huge impact on either your company or on the industry as a whole. Also, always include your participation in industry conferences or industry-led forums where you have spoken or where you have given any kind of thought leadership. If you have published a paper, or if you got quoted, or somehow got published in a newspaper, always mention that. These are small things which will just tell any business that you're a serious guy and you mean business. Other than this, regular KRAs and all are not really needed, because like I said, most of these people do not really have updated resumes, and recruiters and staffing companies, they understand this. So it's mostly because of referrals and your media public appearances and maybe your thought leadership that really sets the tone on whether a company is interested in your skills or not. Wish you all the best.